Welcome back to the channel, everybody. My name's Artie with CoinCasso, and in this video, we go over the top news articles written in the last 24 hours so that you guys can stay up to date and informed on everything going around in the cryptocurrency world. Let's not waste anybody's time, get right into this first article, which is titled, Coinbase Suffers Brief Outage as Bitcoin Tumbles 10% in 30 Minutes. Coinbase experienced a brief outage Saturday as the price of Bitcoin crashed 10% in 30 minutes. According to Coinbase's status page, the exchange's website, mobile app, and API website experienced partial outages beginning at 5 o'clock Pacific Standard Time. 10 minutes later, the San Francisco-based company said it was still investigating. About an hour later on the West Coast, services had been restored for the San Francisco-based companies. Other U.S. exchanges, including Kraken, reported all systems as operational during the weekend price crash. Now, I've covered this topic 3 times before. Every time there's a massive buy-in or a massive sell-off, like we saw in the beginning part of March, and when we saw the price rally from about 8,000 up to like 9,500, as well as this one. This is absolutely unacceptable for a cryptocurrency exchange as large as Coinbase to have this type of problem. The best time to get in and out is when the price is going up massively and down massively. So if you are currently a Coinbase user, I would suggest looking for other options. You can obviously tell because this hasn't happened just 3 times. This has happened like 7 times in the last 2 years. Obviously, Coinbase does not care about the stability of their exchange, and they haven't put any thought and energy into it. And on to our next article of the day, which is titled, Bitcoin Dominance is Making Investors Rich Thanks to Crypto Hedge Funds. National economies are sinking into a recession, but Bitcoin economy remains healthy and is still growing through the coronavirus crisis, even surging to $10,000 on May 7th. Crypto hedge funds in particular are reaping the benefits of volatility. Eric Irvine, co-founder of Blockforce Capital in San Diego, said his fund's returns are up 18% so far in 2020. Now, just to quickly summarize this article, if you remember a couple of days ago when I talked about Paul Tudor Jones and his hedge funds actually investing in Bitcoin futures, this is causing other humongous market makers, big hedge funds, to actually incorporate Bitcoin options and futures into their trading portfolios. We're seeing a widespread rush of more people getting into Bitcoin and these big financial institutions actually getting into the game as well. We're seeing very nice growth in the cryptocurrency world, and we've jumped from 5% of the population actually using it to about 7% now, which is very, very good. With the recent sell-off on Sunday, we've seen a lot of people panic selling and taking their profits. But you have to remember, Bitcoin is going to be a long game strategy. Once more people widely adopt cryptocurrencies as a form of payment, globally, if we reach that 50% threshold where 50% of the global population is using this currency, that will beat out all other fiat currencies. We will see a huge price run up and a far more consistent Bitcoin. Future predictions say it should get up to $100,000. This whole weekend has just been a crazy ride for cryptocurrencies. A lot of people speculating about different things. We will never actually know who was the person involved in selling almost $300 million worth of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies on all exchanges simultaneously, because this is a decentralized network and you can't trace transactions to a certain person because your transaction ID is just a number. It's not tied to anything. And that's it for the news, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this short episode. Please don't forget to like the Facebook page, subscribe to the YouTube channel. Join us again tomorrow when we go over the top cryptocurrency prices as well as the news.